drive blade and spring replacement for the Model 54E. With the 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 cap screws and cap. Remove the drive blade assembly and return spring. Inspect the condition of the black rubber gasket and the drive blade. Make sure the drive blade is not bent. Also, inspect the condition of the spring. To reassemble, install the drive blade assembly into spring and down into the body of the stapler. Replace the cap and the 4 cap screws with a 4mm wrench.